So you're out there apartment hunting. You've probably seen it, right? You've got your standard mid-segment option, and then there's the premium one with a price tag that makes you blink. And you have to wonder, is it actually worth it? Well, that is the big question we're going to tackle right now.
And there it is, the heart of the matter. When you see that 20 or 30% jump, you have to ask, are you just paying for some fancy extras, or is there real tangible value in there that's actually going to improve your life? All right, let's break it all down. We're going to dig into what you actually get for that premium price so you can make the decision that's right for you. First up, let's just wrap our heads around the money, the sheer scale of this decision. Look, we're not talking about a small jump here. A 20 to 30% increase can mean, well, tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars more, depending on where you're looking. The stakes are definitely high. So, what exactly are you paying for with all that extra cash?
To answer that, we've got to decode this whole premium label. Because let's be honest, it's a lot more than just a slick marketing buzzword.
See, a premium apartment isn't just about having a bigger living room. It's really about the entire package. You're talking thoughtful design, top-notch materials, and a lifestyle to go with it.
So what's actually in this premium package? Well, you're looking at prime locations that can literally slash your commute time, high-quality fixtures that you won't have to replace in a year, amenities like gyms, clubhouses, and beautiful gardens that you don't have to pay for separately, and on top of all that, you get modern tech and serious security for some real peace of mind.
You know, this analogy really hits the nail on the head. You're not just buying an apartment, you're buying the whole experience of living there. The community, the convenience, the entire vibe. It's all part of the deal.
Okay, so if you're buying an experience, what does that actually feel like on a random Tuesday morning? What's the real payoff for your day-to-day life?
Exactly. I mean, think about it. Today's buyers, especially young professionals and families in these crazy busy cities, they want more than just four walls and a roof. They're looking to invest in comfort and convenience to make their hectic lives just a little bit easier. And here's what that looks like in the real world. For a professional, a prime location could mean an extra hour of your time every single day. For a family, the peace of mind that comes with 24/7 surveillance, that's priceless. And for pretty much everyone, living in a well-maintained community with like-minded people can be an absolute game changer for your overall happiness.
All right, so the lifestyle perks are pretty clear, but let's be real, a home is also one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. So how does a premium apartment stack up when we talk about the financial side of things?
This chart, it lays it out so clearly.
While a mid-segment apartment is a totally solid investment, a premium property often just performs better in the long run. And why is that? Well, it's that better location, the builder's brand reputation, and the quality construction. It all leads to faster appreciation, higher rent, fewer repair headaches, and down the line, a much better resale price. But of course, this doesn't mean mid-segment apartments are a bad choice. Not at all. They are the backbone of the housing market for a reason. They offer a practical, affordable way to own a home, which is a fantastic goal. The key here is just understanding the trade-offs. So, with all this info swirling around, how do you make the right call for you? Well, we put together a simple little checklist to help guide you through the noise. Okay, before you even think about signing on that dotted line, you gotta ask yourself these 4 questions and be brutally honest with yourself. Is that prime location really gonna save you 2 hours a day in traffic? Are you actually gonna use the gym and the pool? Do your homework on the builder and the local market. This isn't about getting swept up in emotion. It's about making a smart, logical decision. And ultimately, it all boils down to this. The best apartment isn't the most expensive one, and it's not the most affordable one. It's the one that hits that perfect sweet spot between the lifestyle you want and the budget you can actually manage. So, as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this thought. Maybe the question we should be asking isn't, is it worth the money? But rather, what does value truly mean to me? Is it more time, more security, a better community, or a stronger financial return? Once you know the answer to that question, your decision is going to be crystal clear.